In this video, I'll be sharing with you 8 high income skills that can help you make more money in 2026. So whether you're just starting out, or maybe you're just changing your career, or maybe you're looking for more income streams, this video is for you. Now, before I go on and tell you these 8 skills, these are skills that are actually in high demand across different industries. So if you can master even one of these 8 skills in this video, it can actually give you significant increase in your earning potential in 2026. So please make sure you stick to the end of this video so that you don't miss any important information. And please don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers on this channel. Thank you. Now, the first high income skill I want to talk about is copywriting. Now, in case you don't know, what is copywriting all about? Now, copywriting is basically the art of using, words to persuade people or maybe to sell to people and even connect with people. And you see, every business, whether you are online or offline, you actually need a copywriter that can use the right words to help you convert readers or maybe followers into customers. And that is what copywriters do. And by the way, copywriters are the people who are behind everything from the text you see on a website or maybe a sales page or maybe what you see in an email campaign or maybe a product advertisement. All of those things, they are done by copywriters. And good copywriters are actually paid very well because their words and their text can actually generate sales and revenue for a business. And for me, I've worked with a copywriter before and I can say they make very good amount of money. So if you have passion for writing and creativity, or maybe you're actually good with words, or maybe you know how to use words very well, then this is something you need to go into and start learning today. And hopefully you can actually turn it into a full-time income or maybe a freelance career in 2026 and beyond. I'll forget it. So that's the first high income skill you need to take serious in 2026. Now, in case copywriting is not good enough for you, or maybe you're not going in that direction, I still have 8 other high income skills I'll be giving you in this video. So please stick with me, don't go anywhere. Now, the second high income skill is video production, or let me say video editing, or maybe both. Now, you see, video is something that is actually taking over the internet from YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and even online ads. And that is why video production and editing is one of the most valuable skills right now. So if you can actually make videos or maybe edit videos or maybe use tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and maybe CapCut or maybe Final Cut Pro, whichever one, you can actually make a good amount of money from businesses and from content creators, or maybe even own your video production and editing company, whichever one you prefer. And this is actually a skill that can give you flexibility. So you can actually decide to freelance or maybe decide to work for an agency or even start your own brand and make money through different sources. And in case you don't know, the demand for skilled editors out there keeps increasing every day. And it is one of the fastest ways to make money online today. So if you're interested in how to edit videos, how to make videos, start going into that today and start learning it and make money from it today. Now, before I go to number 3, I quickly want to say that at the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you different places or sites where you can learn all of the skills I'll be talking about in this video. Now, the third high income skill is software development. Now, you see, in today's tech-driven world, software development remains one of the highest paying and most stable career paths actually. And one thing, whenever I talk about software development, I'm actually angry with myself because I didn't get to complete the software development courses I bought in 2020. Maybe if I had completed them, maybe by now, I would have been making thousands of dollars per month. But that's by the way. Now, in case you don't know, developers are actually in high demand everywhere, from building websites to building apps to creating AI tools, automations, and so on. People are actually looking for software developers. And learning programming languages like Python, JavaScript, or maybe C++, all of these things can actually open doors for you to get opportunities. And from there, you can move on to well-paying jobs in web development, data science, AI, cybersecurity, and many more. And even if you don't plan to work for a company, these skills can actually help you build your own digital product or maybe automate your business processes. And software development is a very good skill to learn to make money for yourself. It makes good money for people who actually understand and know the skill very, very well. The fourth high income skill is digital marketing. Now, you see, one thing a lot of people don't know is that every brand actually wants visibility, every brand wants traffic, and every brand wants sales. And you see, digital marketers are the ones who make all of these things happen for you easily. They are the ones that can help you get like traffic to your business or your product online, and they can also help you to get more sales and more visibility to your business. So you see that they are doing something good to make money for others, and because of that, they can actually make so much money. So if you want to learn this skill or maybe become a very good and successful digital marketer, you need to learn skills like SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. You need to learn social media marketing and paid advertising, content strategy, and even email marketing. Now, for me, I personally learned digital marketing some years ago, and it has actually helped me grow my online businesses massively. So if you have the skill, you can actually make so much money by promoting your own product or even working for other businesses to help them grow. And this is one skill that can easily make so much money for you. Now, before I go to number 5, I quickly want to say something. Now, in case you don't know, my team and I are currently building an all-in-one personal finance app that will allow you save money, invest money, and manage your money the right way. And guess what? You'll be able to create a budget on the app and track how you make money every month and how you spend your money every month. And the name of the app is Growny. So Growny is the app we're currently building that will really help you to grow your finances in 2026. So if you are serious about growing your personal finance in 2026, please click on the first link in the description of this video or the link in the pinned comment of this video to join the wait list. Please, I'll be expecting to see you on that wait list so that you'll be the first person to know when the app is out. So please join the wait list and support me on this new journey. Thank you. Now, the fifth high income skill I want to talk about is UI UX design. Now, you see, if you're the kind of person that maybe you love creativity or maybe you love tech, then UI UX design might be the best skill for you. Now, you see, UI UX designers, they are the people who focus on how websites or maybe apps or maybe softwares, how they look and how they feel. So they are the ones who make sure that users have the best experience possible when they go on any website, any app, or any software. And the best part is you don't need to be a coding expert to start. You don't need to understand how to code. You only need to learn how to use tools like Figma and Adobe XD. And you can start designing stunning interfaces and even user flows that can help businesses stand out on the internet. And you see, as more companies build apps and websites, UI UX design will become one of the fastest growing high income skills in the world. It is currently actually making so much money for people right now. And if you're actually very good with design, tech, and creativity, then this is the best skill for you. Now, the sixth high income skill I want to talk about, which you might not expect, is public speaking. Now, you see, you might not think of public speaking as a technical skill, but it is one of the most profitable soft skills that you can develop and make money with. Now, you see, being able to communicate your ideas clearly and confidently can actually open doors to like paid speaking engagements, training gigs, leadership roles, or media opportunities out there to make money. And even if you don't plan to become a full-time speaker, improving on your communication skills can actually help you in things like sales, marketing, business, or even any leadership position you find yourself in the world. And remember, public speaking is not just about perfection. It's about connection, the way you connect to people. That is speaking to connect with people. That is how it works. So if you're able to talk to people, communicate with people clearly and confidently, then maybe you should try going into public speaking. Now, the seventh high income skill I want to talk about is graphic design. Now, you see, visuals are actually everywhere, whether social media, ads, websites, branding, they are actually everywhere. And that is why graphic design will actually remain a high income skill. Now, if you can actually create clean, engaging visuals using tools like maybe Canva, Photoshop, or even Illustrator, you can actually make money by helping brands to communicate visually on the internet. And in case you don't know, graphic designers work across different industries. As a graphic designer, you can work in marketing, you can work in advertising, you can work in tech, you can work in media, and even beyond all of these industries, you can work anywhere. And it is also one of the best freelance skills to start from home. So if you are very good with designing, or maybe you're actually good with creativity, then you should try out graphics design in 2026. Now, the eighth high income skill is crypto and forex trading. Now, you see these two skills, both of crypto and forex trading, they both involve just buying and selling assets to make profit from the change in price. That's basically what they're all about. Now, you see, while these two skills I just talked about, while they both give you high risk, they also offer the potential for you to make very high returns when you do them correctly. And you can actually make so much money with crypto trading or even forex trading. But you also need to know that if you don't have the right knowledge, you can also lose so much money. Now, for me, I've been trading crypto for over 5 years, and I can tell you firsthand that it is a skill that requires discipline, patience, and also education. So you must actually learn so well before you start making money from it. Not that I want to start learning crypto trading today, I want to start making money tomorrow. No, it doesn't work that way. So it's like every other skill I've mentioned in this video, where you have to take time to learn before you start making money from there. And in case you want to get started with crypto trading, I have several videos on my other channel. That's my personal channel. Just search for Femilani on YouTube. So on that channel, you find different videos that can teach you everything you need to know about crypto trading and how to make money from it. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is where and how can you learn these skills. Now, you see, before you rush and go to learn any of these skills I've talked about, let me say this. Now, you see, developing a high income skill takes time, and it also takes consistency. It takes time and consistency. So please don't expect to learn a skill today and then you want to start making money from it tomorrow. Always focus on learning and practicing every day. This is actually what will help you to grow in any skill you want to learn. So here are the 3 different ways that you can learn these skills. Now, the first way I'm going to advise you to start with is YouTube. You see, on YouTube, you can learn anything for free. You can learn anything for free on YouTube. Now, there are tons of high quality tutorials on every skill I just mentioned in this video. So whether it is copywriting, whether it is crypto trading, whether it is graphic design, software development, there are so many high quality tutorials you will find on YouTube. So go ahead and start with YouTube to learn for free. Now, the second place where you can start learning any of these skills I've talked about is on Udemy. Now, you see, Udemy is actually a platform that offers both free and paid courses where you can learn all of the skills I've talked about at your own pace. So if you're the kind of person that maybe you want to learn at your own pace, then Udemy is for you. And the third place for you to learn some of these skills is going to tech schools or maybe skill acquisition schools. Now, you see, there are programs like ALX or maybe Alt School and even maybe others that will provide you in-depth mentorship and even give you job opportunities once you finish learning. So you can actually go to some of these tech schools or maybe skill acquisition schools to learn some of these skills. So it's just as simple as that. Just start small, stay consistent with any skill you want to learn, and you will grow faster than you think. And please, again, if you are learning any skill, focus on learning and focus on practicing every day. That is the easiest way to grow and become successful at any skill. So that is it for this video. The 8 high income skills that can help you make more money and even build your financial independence in 2026. Now remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. So the more skills you learn, the more opportunities you'll be able to create for yourself. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment below, and please subscribe to Personal Finance Circle. We are trying to reach 10,000 subscribers. We have different videos that will teach you how to make money, how to invest money, and how to manage your money the right way. Don't forget, join Growney's waitlist. We have the first link in the description below, or you check the pinned comment of this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.